You to read me a story, Ethan, okay?
What? It's not a story, it's a track set.
Alright, well, tell me about it.
This track set has Thomas the Train in the water, and the seagulls, and something.
And something.
And the ship,
Yeah?
and something in the water.
Uh-huh.
And Thomas the Train on the tracks, and Cranky is crane.
And Cranky the Crane.
But that's my track set.
Oh, it's like a book and a track set?
Yeah. So you won't lose battery in the phones.
That's pretty cool. Can you tell me what it's talking about? Your book takes pictures?
It's a track set book, you mean? Here. Say cheese à l'oche.
Cheese à l'oche.
Wait. Try again.
Okay.
Say cheese à l'oche.
Cheese à l'oche.
I took a picture of the boots.
Oh, that's great. That we get on posterity. Yes.